Have you ever wished you could manage WordPress comments faster without all those endless clicks? Well, good news. WordPress actually has a hidden feature that lets you use keyboard shortcuts to moderate comments in seconds. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable it and make your workflow way smoother. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click on Users, then select your profile. Now, scroll down until you see the keyboard shortcuts section. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Enable Keyboard Shortcuts for Comment Moderation. Simply check the box next to it. That's the key step. Once that's done, scroll all the way to the bottom and click Update Profile to save your changes. And that's it. You've just unlocked a faster way to manage comments on your site. Now, when you visit the comments section, you can use simple keyboard commands to approve, delete, or reply, all without touching your mouse. It's a small tweak, but it can save you a lot of time if you handle multiple comments every day. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stick around for more quick WordPress tips to boost your productivity and make managing your site easier than ever.